How to set up voicemail on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I will just show you how you can set up voicemail on your iPhone in a very simple manner. But before we get started, as always, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to set up voicemail on your iPhone, just open the phone app, the usual phone app that you use to make phone calls and track your contacts. And you have to tap on the voicemail icon, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, as you can see. Once you tap on the voicemail icon, you'll see this kind of interface, and over here you have to tap on the greeting option at the very top left hand side. Your iPhone will take a few moments to fetch and load your current voicemail greeting, which you can play using the controls in the middle of the page. Now, if you don't have voicemail already set up, default will be checked. To set up your greeting, just select the option called custom over here at the bottom, because if you haven't set it up, you have to select a custom one. And once you've done that, when you're ready to begin recording, just tap on the record button and begin speaking. And once you begin recording, you will see the line tune red. This indicates how much time you have left. If you're not always near your phone or keep it on silent most of the time, you might also want to tell callers a better way to actually reach you. Now, when you're done recording, just hit the stop button, and to listen to your recording, tap on play, which you see on the left hand side of the screen. And once you're happy with your recording, tap on the save button on the right hand side of the screen. If you'd like to double check that it will, try calling your number using someone else's phone, and most likely this would get your job done. This is how you can set up voicemail on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.